Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Yellow screen in Windows 11 and 10. So how to resolve? So first step guys, turn off the night light. Okay, click to start, then setting, click on system, native display, then find out night light to off. Okay, then second solution. Then guys, calibration display color. So click to start button and then type search calibration display color to next and next, and then click to reset to next and next, again next and next, again next and finish. Okay, then again next, finish. Next method, to update CPU driver. Okay, so right click to Windows icon, then device manager, display, and right click to update drivers and update to automatically. If you download manual, so try this one and find out the part to install, means download, to select this one. Okay, otherwise update automatically. This is download from that official website to automatically. Okay, if not doing so, download manual and install it. Okay, and check physical monitor issues. So guys, your monitor turn off and on. Okay, and then try. Otherwise you have to desktop, so change VGA cable. This one almost 100 to 150 rupees in Indian price. So firstly guys, you have to change and try it. Otherwise you have HDMI cable, so also you can change. So guys, reset color profile. Okay, so search on search box to color management, to open advanced, change system default, then add, no, then close and close. Next method, check for software interface. So guys, Windows R, ms config, then okay. Then guys, click to boot, check this one software, safe mode, then apply, okay, and then restart, and then check if it is normal. So again, right click and restart, so automatically come to normal mode. Okay, and now last method. Then guys, click to start button and type cmd and then enter. You can try to run an administrator, right click to run as administrator, so you're giving full permissions. Okay, then guys, I have some command to repair your some corrupted Windows file. So this command I will give you a link in description, so you directly copy paste. Okay, first command is sfc/scannow. You look at in the screen. So some when you enter the some percentage like to start and find out to any corrupted file. Okay, and then second also check health your computers, and third also check, and fourth restore your health. Okay, so all four four command is very important for your computers. Okay, and that all command I will give you in description, so you can manual type, otherwise copy paste what you want to do. Okay, so almost first complete, then second just a copy and then paste, copy and then paste. Okay, yeah, and then enter. Okay, now third. Then guys, complete your process. Fourth count also done. When your system restart, and then check your problem is 100% solved. Okay, bye bye, take care, and you comment me have any issue, so WhatsApp me, number is on banner. Bye.